kunamanye ama-player la nkahambe nawo bengawashiya uthatha ama-defender amaningi yabo into njalo. We don't know the plan yakho ngoba ngithi phela uma uyi-coach you've got your own plan, you understand? Bese abanye abantu bazokukhombela nakhona futhi ukuthi wayashiye bani yabo into njalo. Let's go there and support abafethu badlala. Anything can happen.
Welcome again to another exciting episode of HPNS bafethu igama upapi ne ngiyabonga bafethu for support. Afana kuzokhuluma ngebafana bafethu ne World Cup. And ngivane ne outcome vela ngivanye ngiwani ngivane ukusheshe uthi ukhona izikhona izinto ebekafuna ukungibekela zona ngebafana the way yena sibheke ngakhona yabona. So ithi ngingamoshi isikhathi ngimgayi platform nje yami friend.
Ngimnandi.
Ya mnandi mnandi. Uthi kwenzakalani nje yami ngiyabona ukuthi ukhisi yodlala nge11 zaka June. Dlala na eMexico and manje already sekunama riding man namangizwile kuneyinkulumo ukuthi bathi hayi bafana is the weakest team World Cup. Overall wena uyibona kanjani? Usibona kanjani squad?
Mina mfethu I think when I tell ukuthi national team yabo and they've got many players akumele ukuthi siba select yabona icoach umthwalo wawunzima yabo. So ku selection mina ngami ku selection ngoba kunamanye ama player la nkahambe nawo bengawashiya bese abanye abantu bazokukhombela nakhona futhi ukuthi wayashiye bani yabo into njalo because of kuhamba 26 players yabo into njalo and we've got many players yabo into njalo. So mina okay siyazi washila amanye amajita like abo Lodge yabona abo Links ngibone ubani uLinks ngibone I player of the season ngale yabo into njalo and yiba abantu engakhomenta ngabo ukuthi the experience abanayo manje I think bebangasi sinika something yabona ngale experience yabo but enye into ukuthi abekho uyayibona into njalo. The only thing that we must do ukuthi we must go and support amajita lanka abo aselectile, you understand, ahamba ayosipresenta adlale uyayibona into njalo ngoba ukukhala akusancedi even noba singathi ushiye bani wenzeni ngeke sayendawo uyayibona into njalo. Let's go there and support abafethu badlala. Anything can happen. Even they can say we are weakest point. Yes, we are weakest point because of ama ranks, you understand? Yes, ranks yabona kulabantu sodlala nabo yabona. But football is football. Anything can happen uyayibona into njalo. So mina amajita nyawathemba. Yeah, mina amajita nyawathemba.
But wena kuya ngawo yes ngiyazi ukuthi siyamsupporta uBruce ne vele siyamsupporta vele mele simsupport because mina ukuya ngami umjita uyenzele into enkulu bafana. I mean remember the last time we qualified sidlala iWorld Cup siyodlala siqualify hayi singakhulumi ngeWorld Cup ya 2010 asikhulume ngokuthi siziqualifyela. That was in 2002 if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
So from 2002 we never had any other coach or qualifier ibafana like Wailanda straight head on sa qualifier sayodlala iWorld Cup straight. So he is the first coach oyenzile ukuthi sifike la sikhona. Also another thing AFCON, I mean we qualified twice.
Thank you.
And we played AFCON first AFCON esi qualified asangena uBruce. We played very well.
Thank you.
Sivayile saphuma kuma group stage hayi bafana yagcina nini lezo zinto. Manje recently we played AFCON, we performed very well as well. So umadala uyenzele into enkulu bafana we really appreciate and I'm sure bongasayibukeli bafana bayidlala yakhumbula msina.
Thank you.
So we only started taking bafana serious after uyo Brosi a take over sibona ukuthi uyadlala ilose kithi bese ngasayijwayeli asijwayelanga bafana ukuthi yalose. So big up to him although we will have our opinions.
Thank you. Yes.
And akumelanga abantu bashaye ukuthi sinama opinion yabo mina iopinion yami nami nginayo nawe unayo everyone unayo opinion. But even if we bathathe ama player lawa mina bengizitshela ukuthi bokumele bawathathe avaye now. Khona umunye umuntu wazidamara yabo.
Yes.
Into khona I think mele si support
Yes.
simsupport mina ngiyasupporta although vele akunakuthi singakhulumi sizohlala sikhuluma amara ngiyakhala ngokuthi athi ama defender bias bale
sibale lapho ke nami lapho ngiyakhala ukuthi uthatha ama-defender amaningi yabo into njani nami ngiyakhala but we don't know i-plan yakhe yini yabo into njani we don't know the plan yakhe ngoba ngithi phela uma uyi-coach you've got your own plan you understand
True, no, definitely, yeah.
so
Plan yakhe,
plan yakhe system
ama-player
yakhe mhlawumbe
afita
azodlala
kuleyo
ngayo
plan.
uyaybo
Yeah.
so we don't know ukuthi what is his plan you
Yeah.
understand so vele nami ngiyakhala
Kakhulu.
ngama-defender amaningi awathathile at least ngabe u-ediyeke lama-2 players ama-attacking anyana ayi-2
Yeah.
mhlawumbe noba ngathatha 9 than not uthatha 11 angithi
Yeah, 11.
I think 11
Uthatha i-team.
yebo uthatha i-team yonke so I think lapho nami ngiyakhala at least ngabe ke umfakile ke uLochi afake nalo mfana uLinks ubani give
Yeah,
Links
yeah.
ubani yabona
Yeah.
afake boyi2 akhipha ama defender ayi2 uyayibona ke at least basa ama defender ayi9 but azi ukuthi ama attacker lanka wethu sinawo uyayibona into njalo alright ngoba enye into phela we don't know ukuthi amajita azoperforma kanjani
Yeah,
uyayibona into njalo ngoba i-World Cup it's a big stage mfethu
true.
yeah i-World Cup is a big stage mfethu uyayibona into njalo so that's why mina ngithi I wish ukuthi abomfukengi yabona abona boThemba abobani baperform
Baphakamise, yeah.
baphakamise
Bangathuki.
Yes, baphakamise I think everything izoba great but we are behind them.
Mara manje mawubhekile lapha phambili njengoba siza kanje ubani umuntu omele kahle kahle sithembe ukuthi vele uyu umuntu phela mangiyabheka okay sharp uriding abo amajita abo mahopa nabo ubani umuntu omawubhekile mele siye ngaye straight lapha
I think manje ngiyabona kumahopa nalo mfana uSundowns ubani lo
uRenes
uRenes I think mina lama singaya ngabo laba singathola igoli
Singalithola. Kungana sisi.
singathola amagoli kona kungana sesi noRenes
yeah
asingawathola because of ubani lo ubani mfana udlala eEngland
yeah
ustriker
yeah nami ngimkhohliwe yeah
so simphile ichance
Kaningi, ne?
yabo simphile ichance but akakakuri yabona akasiconvince ukuthi yabona and udlala eEngland yabo
Akaphakamisi ifandi uze.
yabo simgayile ichance so I think masinganikeza lo mkhopa sinike nalo Rennes ichance I think in fact singabuya na something ngoba they are scoring kuma teams wabo you understand yabo they are scoring kuma teams wabo ungana sisi uyakora ku Pirates uRennes uyakora kuni uSundowns
I wonder umadala ucabangani yazi I wonder ucabangini vele
na inkinga ukuthi mhlambe asazi ukuthi ucabanga but let's give him a chance man
no vele
let's give
definitely I
him a
mean
chance and then we see ukuthi
he has proved himself
Yeah,
kakhulu
thank you.
futhi
Just give
akumelanga
him a
size si
Yeah.
we just have to support nje amajita yabo
yes
akungenani nje hayi mina otherwise
nani asipasupporteni amajita mfethu ngoba sigcine ngidlala iWorld Cup mfethu
nge-2010
ukudlala iWorld Cup sigcine kudala
Yeah.
and manje sigcine kudlala so ukudlala iWorld Cup lama player lanka akhona lapha kuWorld Cup ilama player amanye wabo abadlala ku-CAF Champions League amanye win league you understand
Yeah, amajita adlalile,
amajita adlalile beyodlala week in week out you understand
Yeah.
so sibe chance sibone ukuthi bazoyenza
mina ngikhalela uGrant Kekana
okay
ngikhalela uLochi vele ngikhalela uPeterson goalkeeper
okay
wow madala share labantu mfethu
right lapho ukuthi ubakhalele opinion yakho na ukuthi ubakhalele yabo even nami uLochi nami ngiyamkhalela mina uLochi ngiyamkhalela ukuthi wayamshile yabo into njalo ngoba I think indaba kaGrant ngithi I think uza commenta ngayo
athi Groot
ukuthi ngathi mhlawumbe uGroti yabo into njalo uGrant nakuSundowns bengadlaliwa
bengadlali kakhulu,
bengadlaliwa
bebamixa nabondamane.
so umunye into engimkhala ukuthi ngabe uhambile kuba noCupido yabona uCupido
Cupido, yeah.
Cupido
Nah, yeah.
manje
Angisho manje injalo, yeah, yambhayizisa.
umuntu ukuthi bengamkhalela
Lapha
ukuthi
emuva, ne?
lapha emuva ukuthi ngabe uede ngoCupido yabona at least
amaruma dalu nabantu bakhakaza egcwale le how to Cupido yazi hayi ngibona ngakhona kaza egcwale le
but i-coach ne-coach mfethu i-coach ne-coach nabantu bayo
Yeah.
i-coach ne-coach noba ngahamba sifaka umunye ucoach noma singafaka uPeter naye uzoza nabantu bakhe yebo into enjalo
asithi ke the way wena uyibona ngakhona i-first 11 yakho ungayilahlela kanjani
i-first level yami
or ngiyakubopha
hayi first level amakayo obvious ugoalkeeper wethu ubani Williams bese go right back bese sidlala ngomndawo ku left sidlale Mudiba
center back umbokazi ngiyazi ukhona
mina ngafaka umbokazi no-Akhona ubani Akhona la mfana
yeah Akhona
yeah
okay
akabona bese ngizofaka ulento
Mkwena
umkwena bese ngifake bani ngifaka Adams
yeah
sengifaka
Mara uyocala ngosithole
no problem mina yami level
yeah sengiyasho uyocala ngosithole yeah nami bengizoyilanda kanjalo vele if ever bengiyicoach
ngoba umkwena Adams mawudabheka
badlalile bonke bawinile nekhefu ndoda
yes yabo ngidlasu lento umshishi
ngicale ngomshishi
yeah ngiqale ngomshishi ku number 10 ngidlalisa uRene ngidlalise uApolice
yeah
bese ngistrika ngongwana wasiso uRenens
already
uzokubona ukuthi ngilale kanjani ngafika kanjani
yeah
ngihamba ngalabantu labo mina
yeah nami vele ngiyasivutela sona leso although Akhona ngimazi kahle
yeah
akaze ngimbone
but he's a good center back that boy ngambona adlala ngambona even ku Super Sport adlala that boy is good center back
uGrand
yeah
no nje masibonge mana sivale khona yabo otherwise simnandi
yeah isitaka sokuthi uLen Foster sambona Len
that's why simkhohla nokumkhohla
yebo ngoba manje akakho Len Foster yabona nemanje ayinto abantu abathikhala ngayo ukuthi udlala na Orkant eEngland yabo but akakho but it's football yeah ibhola sometimes more understand angithi understanding ngokufana yebo into enjalo but I think mina let's give the coach a chance and then we see support amajita hamba yodlala anything can happen
Jam siyabo guys thank you very much for watching until next time HPNS danko